How to keep your gaming experience immersive by hiding the taskbar. Step 1. Find a blank area on your taskbar and give it a right-click. Step 2. From the context menu, select Taskbar Settings at the bottom. This action will bring up the taskbar settings in the Windows Settings panel. Step 3. Look for the options. Automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode and automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. You can choose to enable either or both by toggling them on. Once activated, your taskbar will smartly hide itself and will only reappear when you hover your mouse at the screen's bottom edge. If the first method doesn't suit your needs, here's an alternative approach. Firstly, click on the Start menu icon and open Task Manager. Next, navigate to the Details tab, find Explore X in the list, and end this task to temporarily remove the taskbar to bring the taskbar back. After your gaming session, go to File in the Task Manager, select Run New Task Type in Explorer.exe and hit Enter, and that's how you keep your taskbar out of sight while gaming. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.